You gotta do it. It's on camera, bro.
3, 2, 1.
I'm spending money like I just got paid. $100 bills, tell them keep the change. Come on. Yeah, pop a bottle, about to make it rain. Let me give you something now to celebrate. Come on. And if you're wondering why I move the way I do, I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, 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 I just feel so good.
This week, me and my family were able to travel around the entirety of South California. The plan was to stay at 3 different hotels in 3 different parts of SoCal. We left July 3rd and landed in Ontario and had the plans of doing as much as possible. On July 4th, we met up with my uncle, his wife, and kid to watch fireworks. This was probably my favorite day spent. The following day, we packed our bags and headed to Orange County. Probably the most beautiful part of the trip. We grabbed some $5 styrofoam boogies and headed to Laguna.
Loose cannons, shots firing. We don't restrain, we can't control. Stop trying, we're unstoppable.
Day 3, we celebrated my grandma and her brother's 70th birthday. I met a few cousins for the first time. The most fun part of the trip.
Checking into me, boy, it's dressed to the nines. The limo riding feet of fire, taking over the night. Ain't gotta roll with me, just need a few to be. Do that day into the sea, you know what to do now. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. Jukebox in the corner, taking me for a ride. Into the motion, we're exploding out of trouble. You wanna roll with me? We're gonna feel the beat. Show 'em how to do that thing. You know what to do now. Tonight the sun is out, so let's make the time. I'm all about it. I'm all about it.
After day 3, we packed again and traveled through Los Angeles to the Hollywood Hills. We stayed at a hotel right next to Universal. We walked the Walk of Fame and then headed to Santa Monica.
Our time, can't let it pass us by. Gotta let go, oh, you gotta let go, oh, you gotta let go, oh, you gotta let go. Gotta let go, oh, you gotta let go, oh, you gotta let go, oh. You freaking run away. You freaking run away. You freaking run away. You freaking run away.
Day 5, and our last day. We rolled out and took a tour of Warner Bros. Studios. After that, we sat in the hotel sleeping until the night came where we headed to Universal City, right next door, and watched the night fall over us.
Just because we're not alone, you echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because we're not alone, you echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because it feels the same till the morning comes. Evil roads feel the sun so cold.
Overall, California is a beautiful place with mostly beautiful people, and Los Angeles may be homeless, needles in the streets dump, but the surrounding locations were absolutely gorgeous. This one will definitely go in the books.
Whoa, they have dumbbells?
Wow!
Yeah, real quick, hey, put on a good pose.